Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne, and now Dwayne speaks a divine intervention. He's saying a lot of people need a divine intervention in their lives, so that they stop, listening to all the mix-up and gossiping about other people. So go ahead and check out the video, see what he has to say when he talks about divine intervention. Have a wonderful day.
Divine intervention. They need what? Divine intervention. Respectfully, they do. They need divine intervention. I'm gonna pray for you guys, okay? Even if I can't pray well, I know for a fact praying is like having a conversation with God. So yes, I'm gonna pray for you. Keep and pray to God. You guys have some sort of divine intervention very soon rather than later, because darlings, if you guys continue, if your lives are gonna continue down this path, I promise you, you are doomed. You people are doomed.
In light of the allegations,
DOOMED, doomed. I would encourage you, change before it is too late. Yes, love drama. But stop loving the drama that is constantly tearing down people's character,
where the knife was been used to inflict a wound
just stop.
in her chest.
Just
she
stop.
was taken to the hospital where she received treatment.
Imagine I just came with my life, and I'm very sure, I'm very, very sure I saved the life. I swear I saved that life. The way I see you on, yes, I'm on TikTok now. I'm very sure I saved the life. I saved the life. I don't know where the live went to. I don't know. The live just disappeared. People, you need divine intervention ASAP. Change before it's too late, and stop making the devil eat your soul away. Every day the devil is just picking, and your soul's gonna continue. I'm gonna sort it down. I'm soul left, right? And then you're gonna be doomed. You're gonna be doomed. Stop tearing down people, Panya. Like I'm sure I saved my life just now. And look at it. I spoke so well in my video. I spoke so well, and my life just disappeared. Where did it go? I don't know. I do not know. Unless let me go on Twitter and see if Facebook is glitching. I will know if Facebook is glitching from Twitter. I will know. Facebook. Down. I don't see no one tweeting about Facebook down. Nobody. What's this? I don't see nobody tweeting about Facebook down. Nobody. I posted this video to my Facebook page when, what? What's this? This is not about no Facebook now. See what I mean? I saved my video. I saved the video just now and it disappeared. But darling, it is what it is. I'm not gonna make this bother me. I suppose the live was never meant to be saved. Then if it disappeared in thin air, it was never meant to be saved. So it better just go away and done. It better them take it and done. Yeah. And I'm not gonna make it bother my spirit. I just subscribed. Thank you so much for your subscription, Yvonne. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Your support means a lot to me. Everyone who supports me, your support means a lot to me. Guys, if you have TikTok, please download TikTok. Or if you have it, please follow my TikTok. I like to spend some of my time over there because TikTok is not as toxic as Facebook. You know, it's not as toxic. And I'm trying my best to just refocus my energy and refocus everything. Just refocus. I need a whole new, I'm just trying to refocus my energy elsewhere, and the toxicity on here is that's not where I'm trying to. I have no time for anymore. And I'm going to tell you guys one more time, I am not making my birthday on Sunday. Monday, the following day, I'm not going to allow the same vibrations, the same energy to catch me a whole year older doing the same nonsense I'm used to doing for the past few years. Darling, I'm done with that type of energy. And if you understand, thank you. If you don't, I wish you well. I just saw the thing set. And I promise you this time, the devil, whoever you are, whatever being you are, you're not gonna suck me back in. You will never suck me back into that vibrations no. But listen, if I'm going to post any kind of drama on my page, it's going to be something people can actually learn a life lesson from. I'm going to say one more time, learn a life lesson from things that's funny drama, not one to use to. Darling, I am done, and I'm not even going to drag out this live minute. I'm not sitting on here for a whole other hour again. Oh, please share this video. Please share this video. And if you have a TikTok, I'm going to pin my link now. Come tomorrow. Enough of them going to be still hungry without Cash App. So don't pay the Vipers them any mind. I'm not girl. I'm telling you guys, listen, hear me. Listen, when you guys hear me talking about something over and over, that is me convincing myself to let go. And I'm fully letting go of certain behaviors, traits. I'm letting go of those things, energies, but I'm letting go. Full time, I let it go. That bird, the bird have flown the nest. That movie has been replayed 20,000 times now, probably a million times now, and it's full time. We turn the chapter, turn a whole new script, and find something more substantial to do with our time, and leave this whole shenanigan to the ones who wants to continue to remain stagnant. Let's forget them and me, darling. I know for a fact I will never be stagnant. So it's now time I say I close that curtains. Close the curtains. Yeah. Yeah, it's full time. Full time. Full time. Full time. I'm done with that. And yes, I know my video suddenly disappeared just now, but I honest to God, I'm not making it above me. I'm not gonna make it above me. I'm not. Listen, a video is just a video. I can do lives after live. As long as my live feature hasn't been blocked, I'm fine. That video, make it gone. It done gone already. And I don't know where it disappeared to, but that one video, one. Maybe that video was not meant to it was not meant to remain on my page. Hence why it's gone. It's gone for a reason. So what else can I do? I won't cry over spilt milk. I won't cry over things I can't change. Yes, I can change my whole behavior. I can change my whole, energy, and that is what I'm changing. The video, me can't change it. Gone, it just gone, and